So Kingston sent us a pair of their DDR5 Fury Renegade RAMs, and in this video we're going to take a closer look at this memory kit and see how higher clock speed of RAMs affect gaming and workload performance. Starting off with the unboxing, the module I specifically have here are rated for 7200 megatransfers per second, but spoiler alert, I wasn't able to test those speeds, which I will explain why a little bit later. This memory kit supports both Intel and AMD setups, so rest assured whether you're on the blue team or red team, this kit will certainly run on your system. The unboxing experience is pretty standard. The modules itself are encased in a plastic mold with a Fury sticker included. The Fury Renegade sports a new aluminum heat spreader which is available in either black or white colors. And of course it has an RGB light bar powered by Kingston's infrared sync technology. The design of the heat spreaders are undoubtedly geared towards the gamer aesthetics. And as to the RGB light bar, it has 12 individual LEDs inside which can be customized through their software, which we'll also get to a little bit later. So aside from showcasing this RAM module, the purpose of this video is to show the benefits of having a faster RAM in your PC. And this is where I need to do some explaining. The system I used to test here was a Ryzen 7 7800X3D on a B650 motherboard, and this is why I wasn't able to run the modules at 7200 megatransfers per second. The AM5 chipset is still unstable when running high-speed RAM modules, and unfortunately, this is the only DDR5 setup I currently have at the moment. So instead, we're going to run this kit at 6000 megatransfers per second, which is the sweet spot for the AM5 platform. And for the benchmarks, we're going to compare it with another 32 gigs of DDR5 kit running at 4800 megatransfers per second. Let's start with some gaming benchmarks. On The Last of Us Part 1, average FPS was slightly better on the Fury Renegade against the Trident Z running at 4800 megatransfers per second. On Forza Horizon 5, performance was overall better when using the Fury Renegade. 0.1% lows had tremendous improvements indicative of smoother frame times. Diablo 4 painted a similar picture, with the Fury Renegade having better performance over the Trident Z. And finally, on Shadow of the Tomb Raider, again, the Fury Renegade provided better performance over the Trident Z. Now this is something not usually talked about when it comes to RAMs. The Fury Renegade had cooler operating temperatures compared to the Trident Z. In idle loads, the Fury Renegade was cooler at around 7 degrees Celsius on average against the Trident Z. RAM temperatures are not that big of a deal when it comes to performance, but it's a good indicator that the heat spreaders are working as advertised. On Geekbench, the Fury Renegade almost scored 1000 points more compared to the Trident Z on multi-core performance, while on single core, it managed to outperform the competition by around 60 points. On Cinebench R23, the Fury Renegade had slightly better multi-core and single-core performance against the Trident Z. And lastly, on Blender, the Fury Renegade also outperformed the Trident Z by a small margin. Obviously, these are small gains, but at the end of the day, it's still a net positive in the overall performance of your PC. Now I'm going to give a quick overview on how to adjust the lighting effects. First thing we need to do is download the Fury Control app on Kingston's website. So after installing the app, all you need to do is open it, and this is what it looks like. The app has 16 preset lighting effects, but in our case, since we're only using 2 sticks of RAM, we're only limited to the first 12 preset. The rest of the lighting effects are only available when using 4 sticks of RAM. Adjusting the lighting effects is as easy as clicking one button. All you need to do is choose the lighting effect you want, let's say for example rainbow, click it, and the RAM will change effects. You can also adjust the speed of the lighting effect by using the slider located here. Sliding it to the left will make the lights go slower, and sliding it to the right will make the lights go faster. You can also adjust the brightness and the direction at which the light moves. So overall, if you're building a DDR5 system and are looking for a gamer aesthetic design, the Fury Renegade is surely something to consider. Not to mention, Kingston offers a limited lifetime warranty for their RAMs, meaning they are that confident that their RAM modules are durable and made to last. So what do you guys think of the Fury Renegade? Leave your thoughts down below and maybe consider subscribing to the channel. That's it for me, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.